The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, is having a profound impact on the financial industry. One of the most exciting developments is the emergence of language models like Chat GPT, which can generate human-like text. Chat GPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we access financial information and advice. However, it also poses a number of risks. One of the biggest dangers of Chat GPT is that it can be used to generate misleading or fraudulent financial information. For example, a Chat GPT-powered chatbot could be used to trick investors into buying into a scam. Additionally, Chat GPT could be used to create fake news stories about financial markets, which could lead to market volatility. Another danger of Chat GPT is that it could be used to automate tasks that are currently performed by human financial advisors. This could lead to job losses in the financial industry. However, it could also lead to lower costs for consumers, as they would no longer have to pay for financial advice. Overall, the rise of Chat GPT and other AI-powered financial tools is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to make financial information more accessible and affordable. But it also poses a number of risks. It is important to be aware of these risks and to take steps to mitigate them. Before we go into some dangers, hit that subscribe and notification button. It really helps us grow. Thank you in advance. Here are some specific examples of the dangers of Chat GPT and AI in the financial industry. 1. Misleading or fraudulent financial information. Chat GPT could be used to generate fake news stories about financial markets, or to create misleading investment reports. 2. This could lead to investors making bad financial decisions, which could cost them money. 3. Market manipulation. Chat GPT could be used to automate the buying and selling of stocks or other financial assets. 4. This could be used to manipulate the market and artificially inflate or deflate prices. 5. Job losses. As Chat GPT and other AI-powered tools become more sophisticated, they could automate many of the tasks that are currently performed by human financial advisors. 6. This could lead to job losses in the financial industry. 7. Privacy concerns. Chat GPT could be used to collect personal data about users, such as their financial information or their investment goals. 8. This data could then be used to target users with advertising or to commit financial fraud. Despite the dangers, there are also a number of potential benefits to using Chat GPT and other AI-powered tools in the financial industry. These benefits include: 1. Increased access to financial information. Chat GPT can be used to provide users with access to financial information that would otherwise be difficult or expensive to obtain. 2. This could help to level the playing field for investors, and make it easier for them to make informed financial decisions. 3. Lower costs. Chat GPT-powered financial tools can be used to automate tasks that are currently performed by human financial advisors. 4. This could lead to lower costs for consumers, as they would no longer have to pay for financial advice. 5. Improved decision-making. Chat GPT can be used to analyze large amounts of financial data and identify patterns that would be difficult for humans to see. 6. This information can then be used to help investors make better financial decisions. The future of financial freedom is likely to be shaped by the development of AI-powered tools like Chat GPT. It is important to be aware of the potential dangers of these tools, but it is also important to recognize the potential benefits. By carefully considering the risks and benefits, we can ensure that AI is used to empower individuals and make financial freedom a reality for everyone. Don't forget, hit that subscribe and notification button. It really helps us grow, and comment below your thoughts. Thank you in advance.